Is this on? Okay, so I'm told to address the questions, my results, and the conclusion for the hands-on lab. My results were as follows, and I'll submit this lab into the Dropbox as well, but I'm just going to say it out loud. My average drop distance for my right hand with no warning was 15 centimeters, and the reaction time was 0.031 seconds. The drop distance for my left hand without a warning was 21 centimeters and 0.043 seconds. Right hand with warning, average drop distance was 17 and 2/3 centimeters, and the reaction time was 0.036 seconds. Left hand with warning, drop distance was 14 and a third centimeter. Reaction time was 0.029 seconds. This is, however, my data could be a little off because for some of my trials, I didn't catch, like as you saw in my first video. It's like the ruler fell all the way through without me catching. So rather than just not counting it, like for trial one, like the very first one I did, I missed it. So I just wrote in here for trial one, didn't catch. So that could obviously have caused some error and thrown off the data a bit. For the questions here at the bottom, why is 981 centimeters centimeters per second squared using the calculations? It's because 9.8 meters is the acceleration of gravity. Since we measured the drop distance in centimeters, we had to convert 9.8 meters per second squared to 981 centimeters per second squared. My best average reaction time was left hand with warning. And the worst was left hand without warning. Explain how you could improve your reaction time. As I said earlier, the fact that I put didn't catch in the trials that I didn't catch it, and rather than just not counting it, that could have thrown off the data, and that could have given me like more chances to grab it and possibly get a better time, or a smaller a smaller drop distance. And how would this experiment differ if it was conducted on the moon? I said the drop distance would be significantly less for each type, since the acceleration of gravity for the moon is a lot less than it is for Earth. It would go down a lot slower, giving us more time. Well, regardless of the reaction time, we would still catch it more easier. My conclusion is that the left and right hand with warning had better cumulative drop distance averages together. You got a shorter drop distance with the warning than without. Same thing with the reaction time. Like for instance, the best one that I said was my left hand with warning. That was the reaction time was 0.029 seconds, and my worst one was left hand without warning, which was 0.043 seconds. So it's a difference of 0.014 seconds. And it only shows that with the warning is you get better results throughout. I mean, obviously my results are going to be off a little bit because I put the didn't catch, and I could have done more trials correctly. But yeah, that's it. Thank you.